Hi there, I hope you're doing well. In the last video, we have discussed different features of this React assistant, and in this video, we are going to discuss this sidebar chat feature. Okay, so if you didn't have installed the Chrome extension of this sidebar, you have to just search for reg like this, and then you can install this specific extension. Okay, so I already have installed this extension. So if I click over there, and you can see I already have installed this extension, and you can click on add to Chrome as well. Okay, so this is how this extension works. So in this video we are going to discuss how we can use this sidebar feature on different types of platforms. Okay, so I already installed this extension. Now I will obviously showing you how you can install or how you can use this sidebar feature on different types of platforms. So we are gonna start with amazon.com, and I will open specific products, then I will use this assistant. So let's move forward. You can see I have searched coffee machine here. Okay, and I have opened specific product, and now I will just choose Amazon shopping assistant. From here I can choose any model that I like, but right now I will go with chat gpt 4o. Okay, and now what I can do, first of all, I can expand the sidebar like this, and I can see sub actions I have. Okay, so for now I have only 3 sub actions for my system. So what I can do, I can just click on review analyzer, and it will analyze all of the reviews that I have on this product. Okay, so you can see there are multiple reviews on this product, and when I click on this specific review analyzer, it will analyze all of the reviews, and it will provide me a short answer whether I should buy this product or not. Okay, I will click on ask AI, and now let's see what it does. Okay, so now you can see it's thinking, and let's wait for the result. Okay, there you go. I have got the response, and you can see based on analysis of customer reviews, there is overall sentiment, there's coffee quality, each and everything is explained very well. Okay, you can read it and you can use it or for your products purchasing. Okay, so there are copy and prompt button as well. So this is the first use case. Now let's move forward with the second use case. Now there is second sub action for this Amazon shopping assistant, that is called product comparison. Okay, so if I use this product comparison, and now it will have specific prompt, it will compare the products visible on this page and create a clear comparison including key specification, and each and everything is there. So if I click on this ask AI button, okay, it will just send the response, and now we will wait for the result. It will compare all of these products, and it will give a clear cut comparison between all of these products. So now it is thinking, and now let's wait for the result. Okay, there you go. You can see the response from our assistant. Okay, so it is saying here is comprehensive comparison of all of the products like key specification, price differences, and each and everything is there. You can see very well. So these are price differences, these are feature differences, use cases, everything is mentioned there very well. Okay, so you can read the key specification, price difference, feature difference, use cases, recommendation, and you can copy and use this prompt whenever you want to purchase something on Amazon, and you can compare the products easily, and you can get easily what you want based on the reviews and based on the product comparison. So it already did comparison for all of these products, and now you can easily move forward with this specific product. Okay, so this is the second use case. Now let's move forward with the third use case, that is called specification extractor. Okay, so if I click over it like this, and if I move my mouse here, and you can see this is the specific prompt, extract all product specification from key inside on this page. Okay, if I click on send AI, okay, like if I use this prompt and if I send to AI, now what it will do, it will get all of the product properties like specification, reviews, and everything, and it will provide us clear cut comparison or clear cut specification for this product, so we can easily understand what is the warranty, what is the key features, what is product name and model, what is dimensions, and what is compatibility information, warranty and return policy, price and comparison, each and everything is there. If I little bit zoom there, you can easily read each and everything. Okay, so this is how it provides the response, warranty and return policy, price and deals count, shipping information, everything is properly there. Okay, so this is how it works. So this is the third use case. Now let's move forward with different website and with different assistant on this sidebar. Okay, now I have opened YouTube and I have opened specific video related to Python. So if you're learning something on YouTube, you can easily open the video and you can ask anything that you want to learn. Okay, so I have just typed this question: what top 3 questions are answered related to Python in this video? So this is my question, and if I click on ask AI, now it will analyze the video. It will answer me what are the top 3 questions that are answered in this specific video. Okay, so now let's wait for the result. There you go. So it is obviously saying what is Python, what you can do with Python, and why Python is so popular. So these 3 questions are answered by this YouTuber, okay, on this video. So this is how you can easily understand and you can easily know what is actually happening in this video. Now I can also talk it like analyze the comments and tell me what is your sentiment on this codes. Okay, okay, I just typed can you analyze the comment section and share your thoughts for this video. Now it will analyze this comment section and it will tell me if this video is helpful or not, or if there are any issues or something like that. Now it's just thinking and it will analyze this complete video and it will tell me if these comments are helpful or there are positive sentiments or negative sentiments. So now let's wait for the result. Okay, you can see what is Python, why Python is so popular. These are the pros that are actually discussed in this YouTube comment section, and these are cons, and this is overall thought. Okay, so actually somehow I mistakenly used Amazon shopping assistant, but this is up to you how you want to use. Even you can just choose the default one and you can chat with any website. Okay, but for now I will open YouTube assistant because YouTube have different types of you can see sub actions. Okay, because these are my custom assistants. So if I click on keyword frequency analyzer, it will just analyze the keyword frequency. Okay, if I just send it again like this, it will analyze the keyword frequency in this description and it will tell me what are the keywords used in the description. I have also SEO tag generator. I can send to it. You can see this is keyword frequency analyzer for this description. Okay, so it analyzes how many keywords are related to this and this, and there you go for generate optimal tags for SEO. These are optimal tags. You can easily use these tags in your own video. Now I can also click on comment sentiment mining and I can send to it. I can also click on comment language detection. I can send to it. I can click on video likes counter. I can send to it. Now it's processing 3 different messages at the same time and it can get back results for me. Now it will analyze top 100 comments and you can see each and everything. So now it's working. Tell me how many videos and likes or comments there. You can see how many comments and how many likes are on this video. Okay, so you can see there are 913 comments and it obviously told me how many comments are there. Okay, regarding this it is detecting the language and it is telling me what is the language used in comments, and it is also telling me analyze top 100 comments. It is analyzing top 100 comments and it is telling me like what is the frustration, what is perceptions of Python, what is teaching methodology, and overall sentiment of these comments. Okay, I have different sub actions too. Okay, so I can use any sub action that I have done. So if you didn't watch the video how to create assistant, I already explained that in my other video where you can easily create an assistant. Like I have created YouTube assistant here. Okay, so you can see I have created YouTube assistant. So these are the features. You can chat with any website at any time. Okay, now if I open any other website, like if I open fast.com, and suppose that if I want to understand what is my internet speed. Okay, suppose that if I just right now I have selected YouTube assistant. Okay, so if I just go there and if I choose different assistant, like if I just choose default assistant, maybe like this. Okay, and now I can chat with any website because this is default assistant. It can easily tell you what you want to know. Okay, so I have selected that. Now what I can do here, I can just ask what is internet speed on this page and can you convert it into mbps format. Okay, so now it will obviously process this because this data would be sent to AI and it will tell me what is internet speed on this page. Okay, there you go, it is telling you this is internet speed, and if you convert it into mbps, this is the correct information. Okay, so not only this, I can just select the text like this, and now I can ask what is internet speed in this text. Okay, it will obviously tell me. Even I can show you other examples as well, like if I go to YouTube, and you can see the answer is there. This is 600 kbps. Okay, so what if I just select these three comments, like maybe if I just select some comments here. Okay, it's not allowing me to select it. Okay, I have selected 4 to 5 different comments, and I want to generate a mixed content or comment that I can post as my own. Okay, so can you generate a comment for this video based on these comments? Okay, so now what it will do, it will analyze these 4 comments, and it will generate a mix up of my comment that I can just post it directly. I don't have any need to write anything. It will just write it for me. Okay, whether you are just starting out with python or anything, I will just copy it and I can paste it here. Okay, right now I'm not signing, that's why it's not allowing me. Okay, so this is another use case. Okay, now I have opened quantum mechanics on Wikipedia. Now I reopen the sidebar so I can explain you other use cases. So suppose that if you want to understand how this summarize works, okay, you can easily understand. Now I can click on summarize. Like if I can just select the paragraph here, I can click on summarize. It will just tell me summarization of this paragraph. Okay, so now let's wait for the result, and you can see not only this, I can just select the text and I can ask anything directly, like can you explain me this in simple language with an example. Okay, now let's ask it and it will obviously explain me. Okay, it's just thinking, and now let's wait for the result. There you go, there is an example. This is real-time word example that you can obviously relate to original definition of quantum mechanics. Okay, so each and everything you can obviously understand. And here is the image. I can just click on image action, I can text extract, I can chat with image, I can describe image, analyze content and everything. Okay, not only this, if I just copy this image like this, copy image, and if I paste it here, I can ask it anything. Okay, now I will just ask it, can you explain me the wave function with example that is inside an image. So I already attached image. Now I will just ask it, and now it will explain me each and everything related to this hydrogen wave function. Okay, that is there. Okay, so now I'm just waiting for the result, and now then I will explain you how it works. And there you go, you can see each and everything of quantum numbers, possible probability density, wave function formula, example orbital, each and everything is there. Okay, so this is how it works. And even I will obviously show you some other points. So if I select this text, okay, I have selected this text, you can see. Now I will just click on key points, it will just tell me the key points of this specific paragraph. Okay, now it's working. In meantime, I can show you, you can see how the key points are extracted from that paragraph. Okay, not only this, if I want to generate some questions, I will just select this paragraph like this. Okay, I will obviously for now disable it on this website. Okay, and now I can click on maybe questions like this, and now what it will do, it will generate 3 to 5 relevant questions based on this selected text. You can see there are 3 to 5 relevant selected relevant selected paragraph related questions that you can obviously ask someone to explain something. Okay, I can obviously translate text, like if I want to translate something, maybe I can just select this text like this, I can click on translate, and it will translate it into English. Okay, and not only this, I can obviously type something. Suppose that if I want to understand this thing, okay, like this, I want to understand this thing, I can just ask it, explain me this in more depth with an example. Okay, now it will tell me each and everything related to this paragraph with more real-time word examples. Okay, so this is how it works. Not only this, I will obviously show you some other use cases. So let it proceed, then I will obviously show you. Okay, there you go, each and everything in perfect formatted ways there, and you can easily read everything. Now I have different other options too. Like if I click on this camera icon, I can take the screenshot of specific area like this, and I can ask it anything. Okay, so it is capturing the screenshot. Now it will process with AI, and I will ask it to provide me some examples or anything that you want to understand from that selected text. Can you share me some examples of it? Okay, now it will just process this specific screenshot that I have taken, and it will obviously tell me some more examples of it. Okay, so now let's wait for it, and there you go. Okay, this is how it is working. Okay, you can attach files like PDFs, Word documents, or anything that you have in your computer, and you can ask directly anything. Okay, you can attach images, you can take the screenshots of current page, you can record your voice, and you can scrap a page as well. So if I just um, maybe you can see, if I just refresh this page, and if I get this page URL, I can just click on it, and I can scrap it from here, and I can ask it anything. Now it is scrapped. You can see I can ask it, can you provide me some examples of this specific principle. Okay, now it will just use this specific page content, and it will provide me all examples that are explained here. Okay, so how cool is that? You can just provide the URL to it, and it can easily tell you anything for any specific information on that page. So I'm just waiting for it, and it will obviously tell me. There you go. So you can see here sigma x and sigma y and everything is there. Okay, so that is the same example. So this is how it work. Okay, I can use any assistant that I already created on my dashboard. You can easily create new assistant. Okay, I already explained in another video, and you can select any model that you like. You can enable knowledge base, and it is web research. If you want to get some information from web, you can just enable it, and you can tell me like I can show you an example. Tell me current BTC rate on internet. Okay, so it will tell me what is current BTC rate. Right now my server API is not set up. You can just set up it. After that it will 100% work. So this is how it work. I hope I have explained each and everything how this sidebar is work. And this is 100% free. You can use on your Chrome. There's no fee, or there no some you can say subscription on this Chrome extension. So again, I will obviously show you how you can install it. You can just go to Chrome. You can search for rag, and after that you have to click on this extension, and there you go. Okay, so this is the extension. You have to click on add to Chrome, and that is it. So it is 100% free alternative to Cider or these extensions that are getting charge you on monthly basis, but this is 100% free. You can do multiple features here. Okay, so if you like this video, I hope you like this video. Thumbs up to this video, and comment if you want to know anything, and just wait for the next video. I will be explaining more use cases of this extension. Thank you, have a good day.